Hey, good morning. Good morning, guys. Alright, so we're actually just waking up, and we're going for a workout, like trekking around, walking around, burying myself, and being fit. Yeah. Okay, so we just want to show you something. I and my husband. Yesterday, my my mom-in-law sent some food stuff. You guys, if you don't know, the thing is that Nigerian border is closed right now, and food items like rice and all of that is actually not getting into Nigeria anymore. So rice is very expensive. Yeah, rice is actually very expensive. So
People are buying bag of rice and they are using the bag to soak clothes because it's fucking expensive.
yes. So my mama-in-law sent us some food. Yeah. So let's go. Oh my goodness. Wait. So my mother-in-law sent us some food stuff, and morning, what's up? How was your night? And we just want to show you some of the food stuff that my mother-in-law sent us. Morning, baby. How are you? How was your night? So she sent us a lot of things, like plenty. Yeah. How was your night? So baby, baby, the plantain don't dey ripe oh. Eh, come now. She sent us plantain, she sent us rice, she sent us gari. Huh? Yeah, I need a tripod stand. Can you get me a tripod stand, please? She sent us a lot of stuff in preparation for our baby coming. Yeah. So we're just gonna be showing you some of the stuff that she sent us. Like plenty stuff. I wasn't expecting this. She's so nice. May the Lord bless her. Look at H. H is preparing for school. Yeah, she's actually warming her food because she always prepare her food like parboiled rice, because there's usually the stew inside the freezer. Look at the rice she cooked. Very small. Very small. So she's going to take that. You're going to eat it before you go to school. You're going to take it to school. You're going to take it to school. Yeah, because she's a girl child, so she has to learn to do some stuff by herself so that she would perfect it. Yeah. And also doing everything for her would make her lazy. This plantain is so huge. Baby, we can bring water for me. She brought us plantain. Like, don't worry, we're going to be showing you. This plantain looks very very strong, mature. You just put them on top of your papa, so you don't have to carry it. This is the rice she brought us. She sent for us. This is a boiled rice. Very small rice. This is actually a boiled rice, local rice, and it tastes more delicious than the foreign rice.
I have the best rice, not my foreign rice.
Yeah, honestly.
Very block border, whatever.
Ebonyi has the best rice so far. So she brought us this one bushel of rice, which is going to take us for some time. Like, oh my god, since I have this rice, the foreign rice that we have in the store, we're just gonna be
Pack
cooking
one.
that.
Pack one.
For me, I'm gonna be packing that. So she brought us gari, and this is gari.
G4.
Let me show you. It's actually red gari, and I'm sure she processed it herself, right? Yeah. So she processed that gari herself. I'm sure she has cassava farm, right?
Yes. She has cassava. A lot of cassava plantation.
So
She has
she
cassava plantation.
yeah. So she harvested the cassava. She harvested the cassava, and then she processed it, fry it, and bring it for us. She's so kind. And she brought us this ukwa.
Wow.
Yeah. But the problem is that I don't know how to
Prepare it.
prepare ukwa. I've actually never seen how they prepare ukwa before. So
Google it.
yeah, I think I'll do that.
Google.
But in case you know how to prepare ukwa, let us know at the comment section. Fry it. I don't know when you finish frying it, how are you going to do it? You will eat it like granite. Anyway, if you know how to prepare, if you know how to prepare this ukwa, let me know the step on how to prepare ukwa. Let me know in the comment section, because I honestly don't know how to prepare ukwa, and I heard it's very difficult for you to peel it. The peel is.
No. What you do is pour it on the other floor. Use pot to smash it. Smash it. Smash.
Keep enjoying, you're not serious. So that's the third thing.
And this
is the next thing she brought for us. Like
plantain.
very mature plantain. It's not like some of those ones.
Kadwana is right.
Yeah, it's not like some of those ones where we have here in Abuja. You know, it's not even strong. They'll cut it and come and sell it and put kaba. You know, let it ride. But this one
natural.
natural. So we have to put some of them inside the fridge so that so that all of them does not get ripe at the same time. Yeah. So that is it. And she brought us. She sent this. This is how she wrapped it. She wrapped it like this.
So that it won't get spoiled. You wrap it with leather.
Yeah,
It will spoil.
yeah, it's gonna get ripe.
All of them will just get ripe at the root.
Anyway, let's show you what is in here.
They're saying it now, prepared.
This
This
is
got
what-
the egg. Got the egg, small, angara. Angara.
Angara. Yeah, got the egg, the small one. The last time she sent us some food stuff, she sent this too. So, or just, yeah, literally that's how it is. Yeah, so, and it's very healthy for the body. Yeah, I know, I'm coming. And guess what, guys? My mother-in-law, oh, that woman is so, when she come Abuja, make I spoil her too. She's actually spoiling me here in Abuja. Like, she killed chicken. She killed the chicken, I don't know. She has, she has some chicken, yeah, and she now roast it. She now roasts the chicken. The chicken is actually very mature. Like, she even dey send sweet mouth say, "Mona chop sweet mouth." This is it. That woman, this is it. This is chicken. This is sent. Yeah, somewhere inside here. That woman, she's so sweet. She's so nice. Like, oh my God. You need to have a mother-in-law like mine, oh. So this is it. And let me show you another thing. So,
I'm calling with the camera.
No, nothing. I just want you to enter fully. So this is another thing that she sent. Uba. And I refused to open it since yesterday because I need it to be soft. Yeah. So I'm actually going to be opening them. This is one. Maybe please hold it. This is two. And this is three. I want it to be very, very soft. Yeah, so that it's either we actually eat it this way or we do
Yam porridge with it.
okay yam porridge, right? So I'll put this yes. You're not serious, come and pronounce it now. So we'll do yam porridge with it. Like it's been long we did cooking video. Like people were like saying that it's been long we both of us did cooking video. This is early morning. My husband will soon be going out. Like he's very busy these days, but nonetheless, if he's not around, I'll do the yam porridge myself.
This is uba.
Yeah, I can't eat abacha now because of that potash. Because if I eat potash, purging. So that's uba. She brought uba, and the next thing, my waist don't pin me. My waist don't pin me. So she brought us oil. The oil that she brought us this time is actually not as much as the one she brought us the last time because I'm sure there's not much oil.
There's no oil for now.
Yes.
So maybe ending of this month.
Yeah, there's
the
no
farms will start producing.
it again. Yeah, so this is the one she sent for us, for this particular us, me and my husband and all of these children. And this is the one she sent for her daughter, Grace. You know, the one we went to visit some time ago. And yeah, my sister-in-law sent me some gifts, which I'm yet to even unbox it and show you guys. Yeah, so this is the one she sent for us, for her daughter. And this is the one she sent for her son. Not this particular one, the smaller one. Yeah, not the smaller one, the smaller one, because they are of the same height. Joseph. I don't know if you've actually seen us do a video with him. So this is how it looks. Can you see that? Yeah, this is for us, for Grace and for Joseph. Like, are you kidding me? This woman, God will bless her. Kai, that woman too good. Okay, so she sent this one too. This is okwa, and this is rice. But this particular one is for Grace and her family, her daughter, yeah, which is my sister-in-law. And she also sent this too, which is Gary. Let me show you. Like,
G4.
Yeah, G4. Oh my goodness. Maybe the thumbnail don't finish. So these are the food items Ma brought for us, guys. We're so excited. We love her so much. Ma, thank you very much. Just for that she's actually not going to be, watching this video because obviously there's no internet there. I beg, there's no internet. It's not
uploading video.
I mean, she does not have internet. Not that there's no internet in her phone. She said,
you make it as if my place is
no.
Define it very well.
Okay.
There is internet in my village, plenty internet.
There's network.
Video when
There's
network.
There's mask. But
what you will say is that Mom C does not have internet phone that has internet.
Okay.
My internet only make call. She will call you by 4 a.m. to check on you, 5 a.m. to check on you.
This is husband and wife argument, but that's the only thing we argue about. Ma does not have internet in her phone. Okay, she doesn't have data.
networks like
There's
MTN.
network everywhere in that place, but of
Everybody's
course,
like that.
mass phone cannot access the internet. Yeah, Abi, no be so. So we love you, Ma. We love you so much. Tell Ma that we love Ma. Despite
Yes, Mama.
Mommy Elizabeth. Her name is Elizabeth, my mother-in-law.
Larry.
Just
Love
like her. She's named Elizabeth. She's named after
Her grandmother.
Kiddo. She's named after her grandmom. So anyway, we just wanted to show you all of the stuff my grandmother, my mother-in-law brought for us. She's just like my grandmom. She's just like my grandfather. She's just so caring, so loving, so she's always communicating, she's always calling, she's always asking after the unborn baby, she's always caring. Come on, man. Hi. Don't worry, when she come, you guys are gonna see her most definitely. You guys, and all of you that knows how to speak Igbo, get ready. You're gonna speak Igbo to my mother-in-law. So, baby, I'm a coach. So that's it, guys. So we just wanted to show you some of the stuff that my mother-in-law brought for us, and we're super duper excited. I mean, I am excited. You can see the excitement in me because, man, since they don't close border and food stuff.
Baba Buhari close it for 100 years.
No, maybe if you close for 100 years,
You're not gonna sing.
don't even think about yourself only. People will suffer.
Ah,
People will suffer. You know, the thing is that the border is closed and food stuff is expensive right now.
Nigerians are good in one thing. They can adapt easily. They can adapt. That is why the government are just treating us the way they're treating us, because they know whatever thing they come with. People, before you know, people will adapt to it and not protest about it.
No, come out.
If you protest, they are bargaining. So nobody wants to protest. People are always waiting for the lawyers in this country. They are just liars. Yes.
Baby, forget the country. Anyway, we're done. We're going out for workout.
Lawyers are liars. They don't know.
So if you did enjoy this video,
If you did
thumbs up,
enjoy the video,
subscribe,
please thumbs up.
or
Or we'll send you food stuff.
maybe this kind of oil.
This small. Okay. Have you warmed the stew that you're going to use? Okay. So, baby, you have to come and drop this thing down so that she can take stew. Please, thank you. All right, thank you guys. Bye. Love you.